Welcome. Today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into a Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it and choose settings. Then go into voice and now choose voice match. And now tap here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. Now you need to give access to your assistant, tap next, and I agree. And now, how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use. Press continue, and not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.